Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how the new soundboard system works inside of Discord. So in order to get this to work, you got to pay for the new Discord Nitro, and when it is functional, currently it's only on a handful of servers, you'll see it loaded up in the bottom left-hand corner of your Discord screen when you're inside of a voice chat channel, and it looks like a little music note inside of a box. So in order to use your soundboard, just click it, it'll open up this little window, and inside of here, you can click on a whole bunch of different sounds that you've either uploaded to your server or you have available from other servers, and then you can be like, badumch when you make a bad pun. Or if you've made like a really bad like joke or something sad happen in a game you were playing, you can be like, oh, sad horn. Or golf clap if you're trying to be sarcastic. And it looks like some friends of mine have actually put in some of their own sounds as well. And if you want to, you can add your own sounds relatively easily by going to Add Sound. And then you can choose a sound here. I've got Bird Up inside of the shorts. Bird Up! Hello! And then we can just call this Bird Up. And then this is related to, I don't know, is there a bird one? Let's just make it relate to this first bird, and then we can upload this to the server and use that whenever we want. So now I can be like, Bird Up! Bird Up! Hello! Done. So that's the soundboard. It's not terribly complicated. It works exactly like posting emojis on different servers or whatever, so that you can upload your own emojis and share them with your friends. If you want, and you find it annoying, you can always just go here and mute the soundboard so that you don't have to hear people's spammy nonsense if it becomes a problem. And you can also disable people's ability to use the new soundboard inside the roles settings for permissions. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a brief look at the new soundboard system, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.